So comparing the North Wave shoes with, I think, one of the brands in the industry with the Specialized shoes. So that is, I think, a good comparison, and both are white. On the Italian bike, of course. So back in the house, let's take them off. The North Face Veloce Extreme, hope I pronounce it right. Gonna just compare them, weigh them. This is my other Essex Specialized shoe, kind of in a bright color. But this is more the comparison of the white high-end top shoes. So one last look on the feet. I think both are very beautiful. Also for me, comfortable. That's perhaps a stupid thing to say because they are carbon. Stiffness is 15, stiffness index. I think it's also on the Specialized shoes, but yeah, if they just fit right, it just feels very nice. You get 2 inlayer soles, so you can just take the 3 mils or the 5 mils. So if you have a normal foot or kind of a slim foot, and you can order the North Face Veloce Extreme in half sizes, so 45, 45.5, 46, etc. Taking them off is other than these boas. You just pull this and then this starts turning and it's just loose. And adjusting it, tightening, that's very precise on those ones. I like the system. I didn't know it, but it feels good. It feels as good as my boas. Now, ventilation on this shoe, it's not perfect. On this shoe, it's also not perfect. Today is a hot day. Look at that, totally sunny. So big thumbs up for that. If you liked the video, please put a thumbs up. But let's take them off and compare them side to side. So yeah, that was a chopper, but I didn't know if you saw it. A chopper, helicopter, it's just how you pronounce it. So, weight of this one is 380 in my size, and this, the S-Works, is 315. So this is a little lighter. I can feel that. So this is a little bit heavier. But stiffness is just off the scale. Here it is. Stiffness index on this North Wave shoe is, as you can see, really high with the 15. So if we are looking at the sole, this is the totally carbon plated shoe, which they call Power Shape at North Wave. Here is ventilation, so that's really nice, but it is underneath this sole. You can change this sole with this 5 mil sole, as I told you, and ventilation has to go through those holes. Ventilation through here. Also on the top end there is ventilation, and there are also little holes, as you can see. So a little bit of ventilation is coming in from underneath, and lots of people have warm feet. I don't personally have that kind of problem, but I think those people would really like this. So this is just how it looks. I like this part because this is also a little bit soft. Ventilation is going through here. That's better than on the Specialized shoe, I must say. Which I also like is, yeah, on the S-Works this goes loose and then I have to attach it. And this is just, yeah, it doesn't come loose. It's just, yeah, very easy. It's very wide when I open this. So 2 hands free. So if I just turn this, it's very precise. Here I have to help this little strap to go on top of here. And then you just fix it. But first, of course, take the front one. So you have here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines over the foot. And you can see the shoe just coming in. Also here the stonk is also getting nicely underneath, so that's very nice. You can't turn it back, it's just levering the system, and then you can see it already going back, and then you have You can just take it off. But again, tighten this, and it's just so perfectly nice to just make faster and stronger. I think it's a little bit better for me personally, just feeling wise, than the boa. Boa is also perfect, but what I like about the boa is just turning left and right, just so with one hand. This is also with one hand, but you have to just think about it in the first few times when you need this. So the logo is very big on here. What I forget to mention perhaps is that those are both high-end shoes. The North Wave, let's put this one away because I will focus on this North Wave. The most high-end road racing shoe of North Wave, which is made with Filippo Ganna. So he helped them with this development. Is it good? I think it's very good. It's a very hard carbon plated shoe. People say it's not for seeking comfort, but for really riding fast. For me it's the same, but if a shoe fits perfectly, it also feels very nice. So carbon plated and not comfortable, I don't know if that's always the case. For me personally not, but the same with running shoes. So I run on those carbon plated Nike shoes. Those are also very comfortable for me personally, but lots of people hate them because they are too stiff. So just check that for yourself. So 400 bucks for this shoe, the same with the Specialized shoe. And if you look at the box, it's kind of high end. How you get the shoes in the house with a nice purple looking box. By the way, you can buy them in two colors, so black and white, so very clean and very stylish, less like all Italian brands like this cask helmet. For me, that's also very, very beautiful, I think. So on the stiffness index, this shoe is this red triangular shape. They start here at e-bike, enduro, gravel, adventure, and then on the top high-end road endurance, and this is road performance, and that's the highest. So it's their most road performance shoe, and I have it in size 46. That's the same size I have this Specialized shoe, by the way, and this is UK, and they have like a great design award, so that's really nice. So these buckles are made by X-Dial. They're called the SLW3, and yeah, as I showed you, it works just very nice, and this is just how you detach it. The front end feels kind of hard, kind of good shaped. It's a high heel, so it feels very good while doing sprints. Kind of high heel, so your foot really doesn't come out. You see how small this is, so it's not that your heel is coming out of you, so that's really good, I think. And this is also very, very stiff, and it's also made with what North Face calls the ARS 2.0, so anatomic reticular support. So yeah, that's just how they say it. So what does that for your feet? And that's important. So it keeps your foot perfectly in the place for putting the most watts on the street, and that's of course important with road racing. That's also a patented system, and again, I think it's very cool. Do I like the shoe? That's more the conclusion. Yes, I like the shoe a lot. I like this better than the one Velcro strap here and the two boas over there. Do I like the looks? Yeah, very much. This is big on the shoe, North Wave. Perhaps they could make it a little smaller. I think this is more like a size for me, which I like, but that's just how they do it. And what can I say about design to Italians? Nothing, I think. So this is better. So great cycling shoes. What I will do, I put a link below the video to the complete comparison of the road racing shoes. So see the link below and please subscribe and hit the thumbs up on this particular video. Thanks and goodbye.